So, mental health and your well being is something that is so crucial because your health and well being is so important to baby's health and well being. So, asking for help is so hard to do, especially when you have a new baby. You kind of think that you're going to be able to do it all, like a super mom or super dad, but ask for help. Find out before baby comes, people realistically what they can do. Can they come over when you need to do errands, take a shower, if you want to just take a walk around the block, do groceries, cook, clean? Ask folks what they could do before baby comes, so then it's not a surprise when you ask for this help. You might want to become friendly with neighbors in the area, make friends in the area if you're in a new area. Just find out like your support and how you could best be supported through the process of bringing home a baby and taking care of yourself and taking care of baby at the same time. Be aware of baby blues. So do you find yourself being impatient, high irritability? Do you have moments where you just have like crying sessions and you can't control it? That's something to be aware of. And if you feel that this is happening to you, you should contact a provider, and I'll have a couple of links below. So perinatal mood and anxiety disorder are real. It happens to a lot of women. 1 out of 7 women suffer from it. The most common is called postpartum depression. And that's been what's been diagnosed the most, and the most information about what happens with a mom during pregnancy and the first year after baby comes. Lots of women suffer from this, and it's normal. It happens. Nothing means that you are less of a mom or less of a woman or less of a person, but knowing when to ask for help is so key. So some of the signs that you might be suffering: you have trouble sleeping, if your eating habits have significantly changed, if you, again, are finding yourself in these crying sessions, you have high irritability, low energy, nervous, you don't feel like you could take care of the baby or yourself, you feel exhausted, but extreme exhaustion. Exhaustion is normal, but if you feel extreme exhaustion that you just can't do like regular day-to-day things, that's when you need to ask for help. You feel really guilty about situation, you feel like you're being a bad mother, you have trouble concentrating, or you feel like you're going to cause harm to yourself or the baby, that's when you need to seek out help. So you kind of know what your normal is. Like when you feel like really nervous or irritable or sensitive to things. If you feel like all those feelings are just kind of amplified by like 10, you should seek out help. And that doesn't just mean your immediate circle. That means professional help, and figure out like how to overcome what you're going through. Everybody's different. And again, you might have had a wonderful pregnancy and have no issues. But then like 2 or 3 rolls around and maybe you're home alone with the baby and you start having these feelings. Don't feel embarrassed to like seek help, because if you don't get the help that you need, baby's not getting the care that they need, and you're not getting the care that you need, and you don't want that to happen. So remember to ask for help when you have to do errands, when you feel like you need to take a nap. In the first couple of months, you need to take a nap. Sometimes it's hard with the baby. You feel like you have so many things to do, but really like try to take a nap. Ask someone to come over if you feel like so exhausted that you can't take a nap while the baby is taking a nap and you just want someone else there. Ask for help. If you have some errands to do and you want to do them, ask for help. Ask for someone to come over. If you want to cook, if you want to clean, you want to take a shower, these are all normal things. Definitely ask for help. And if you don't have that support circle and you have the funds, you could definitely have a doula come over. Just like how you had the doula, if you had a doula at the hospital, a doula could come to your house and help you like prepare a meal, take care of baby, take care of yourself. And nothing is wrong with like asking for help. I mean, if I had known what it would have been like the first 3 months, I would have probably done it too. If we have another child, I'll definitely like ask for more help. And I just tried to take on everything, which was my own like issue of like thinking I should do it all. But it's totally normal. You know, they say it takes a village to raise a child, and it really does. You really do need that help, and it's really hard to ask for it. But just continue doing that. Ask for help from your partner, ask for help from your in-laws, ask for help from your family, your friends. Take people up on the offer for them to like bring over food. And knowing when to say, like, I'm not interested in having guests come over. No, you could say those things too. And just really remember, like, there are people who care about you. You obviously have the baby's concern as number 1 and 2, yourself and the baby. So just remember to like take a walk, take time for yourself, and remember, like, there are people there who genuinely care about you and want to help you during this time. All right. Well, best of luck.